Hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today we will be doing an exercise with the verb to be in Spanish. Don't forget that in the previous videos we learned about the personal pronouns and the verb to be in Spanish, and this verb is made up for two verbs, the verb ser and the verb estar. Now, are you ready for this exercise? Yes? Okay, let's get started. Comencemos. Before starting the exercise, we will remember when we use the verb ser and the verb estar. And don't forget that the conjugation is in the previous videos. Let's start with the verb ser. Hola, yo soy Juan. Hi, I'm Juan. We use the verb ser to talk about our name or someone else's name. For that reason, I say yo soy. Yo soy Juan. I am Juan. Yo soy de México. I am from Mexico. We use the verb ser to talk about our nationality or the nationality of another person. For this reason, I say yo soy. Yo soy de México. I am from Mexico. Hola, yo soy María. Hi, I am Mary. Here we are again talking about the name. For that reason, I use yo soy María. I am Mary. Juan es mi hermano. Juan is my brother. We use the verb ser to talk about our relationship with another person. For that reason, I say Juan es mi hermano. Juan is my brother. Juan es inteligente. Juan is smart. We use the verb ser to talk about my characteristics or the characteristics of another person. For that reason, I say Juan es inteligente. Juan is smart. Okay, now let's start it with the exercise. In this exercise, you must choose the right option. For example, yo soy Camilo. Soy is the right choice. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to pause the video and leave me your answer in the comments. Exercise number 1. The right choice is él es inteligente. He is smart. Exercise number 2. The right choice is ellos son de Perú. They are from Peru. Exercise number 3. The right choice is tú eres alto. You are tall. Exercise number 4. The right choice is nosotros somos hermanos. We are brothers. Exercise number 5. In this exercise, you must complete the sentence with the correct conjugation of the pronoun ser. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Okay. The right choices are ellos son amigos. They are friends. Usted es mujer. You are woman. Ella es María. She is Mary. Yo soy alto. I am tall. Exercise number 6. In this exercise, I will give you some personal pronouns, and you must front the whole sentence. I would like very much to see your answer in the comments. In the next video, we will do an exercise with the verb Estar. If you liked this video and it helped you, I invite you to follow the page and like it. I'll be posting every week. See you soon!